We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you an in-depth look at the Extra Deep Split King Sheet set by CGK Unlimited. If you own this product, we'd love for you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what users love and dislike about this product. This Extra Deep Split King Sheet set is specifically designed for those with very deep pocket mattresses, accommodating depths of 18 to 24 inches. The fitted sheet features stretchable elastic that ensures a secure fit, even on tall and large mattresses. Many users rave about how well these sheets stay in place, even on adjustable frames or mattresses with toppers. One reviewer noted that after struggling with other sheets that constantly slipped off their 14-inch memory foam mattress, with a 3-inch topper, they were thrilled to find these sheets stayed put thanks to the elastic all the way around. The set includes 7 pieces, 2 fitted sheets, 1 flat sheet, and 4 pillowcases with decorative embroidery and enclosure designs. Users appreciate the thoughtful design of the pillowcases, which are oversized and can fit larger pillows comfortably. The microfiber material used in this set is described as incredibly soft and lightweight, offering a luxurious feel that many compare favorably to high-end Egyptian cotton sheets. However, some users who are accustomed to crisp cotton sheets mention that microfiber has a different texture, but they were pleasantly surprised by its softness. One standout feature frequently highlighted in reviews is the cooling effect of these sheets. For those who tend to sleep warm, these sheets have been a game changer. Several reviewers shared that they noticed an improvement in their sleep quality when switching to this set, with one even mentioning a consistent 10-point increase in their Samsung Watch sleep score. Unlike heavier cotton sheets that can trap heat, these microfiber sheets are breathable and help regulate temperature throughout the night. This makes them ideal for warm weather or for individuals who experience night sweats. Durability is another area where these sheets excel. Many long-term users report that even after years of use and countless machine washes, the sheets have not pilled, shrunk, or faded. One reviewer shared an update after using the same set for over 2.5 years, praising its ability to maintain its original softness and fit. This level of durability makes them a great value for the price, as they continue to look and feel like new over time. The wrinkle-free property of these sheets is another feature that users love. Straight out of the dryer, they remain smooth and ready to use without the need for ironing. This convenience adds to their appeal as a low-maintenance bedding option. Color options also receive positive feedback from buyers. The vibrant hues remain true even after multiple washes, with one user specifically mentioning how pleased they were with the rich burgundy color they chose. The off-white option is also popular for those seeking a neutral yet elegant look. While most reviews are overwhelmingly positive, there are some minor drawbacks noted by users. A few mentioned that they would have preferred the sheets to be slightly thicker for added warmth during colder months. However, this is largely a matter of personal preference and does not detract from their overall comfort and usability. Another point raised by some reviewers is that while these sheets are perfect for deep mattresses, they may feel oversized on thinner mattresses or those without toppers. It's important to ensure your mattress falls within the recommended depth range of 18 to 24 inches for the best fit. In summary, the Extra Deep Split King Sheet set by CGK Unlimited offers exceptional comfort, durability, and practicality for those with deep pocket mattresses. The combination of soft microfiber material, cooling properties, wrinkle-free convenience, and secure fit makes it a standout choice in bedding. Whether you're dealing with an adjustable frame or simply want sheets that stay in place all night long, this set delivers on its promises. If you're considering upgrading your bedding or have struggled to find sheets that fit your deep mattress properly, this product is worth trying out. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to support our channel while purchasing this item. And if you already own this sheet set, please share your experience in the comments below. It could help someone else make their decision.